Hello everyone, today we are going to prepare not just one but two varieties of Falooda, a regular Falooda and a royal one. Let's get started. First, we shall start with the base. Take 2 small serving glasses, add 2 tablespoons of rose syrup into each glass. This gives a sweet and refreshing start for our Falooda. Now add a few chopped almonds, cashews and dates into both the glasses. These will add crunch and richness in every sip. Next, add boiled semia or Falooda save into each of the glasses. And then we shall add basil seeds which we sowed before into each of the glasses. After that, add jelly cubes which we prepared the day before. The colorful jelly makes it look festive and adds a bouncy texture. For the regular Falooda, pour in plain chilled milk. For the royal Falooda, pour in rose milk, that's chilled milk mixed with rose syrup. See the beautiful contrast between the two. Now for the best part, add 1 big scoop of ice cream on the top of each glass. Garnish with more chopped nuts and finally drizzle a little rose syrup on top.
Our Falooda is great.
And here we are, our chilled delicious regular Falooda and rich creamy royal Falooda are ready to be served.